Hello everyone. In this task, I will be analyzing the yearly financial performance of Dharma Performance Group using the aggregation framework. The goal is to find the total revenue and the average revenue per performance and also the total attendance for each year. There are some conditions mentioned over here where the attendance should exceed 150 and the ticket price should be more than 12, and also the audience reaction should fall either good or excellent. Here the syntax follows, and it mentioned that the first stage is the match stage, where I would be filtering the data set using using in this match stage. This ensures that for the high quality and the profitable performance are only being used in this match stage. By mentioning that the number of attendees is greater than 120, it means stronger attendance is preferred, and also the ticket price greater than 12, it means higher price value tickets are preferred over this, and the audience reaction should be either good or excellent. It also mentioned that the preference of audience reaction is also much valued over here in this match stage. Then coming to the next operator, that is the add fields operator, where the revenue has been calculated by creating a new field which does not make any change to the original data, and the revenue has been calculated by multiplying with the number of attendees along with the ticket price. That is being mentioned with that line revenue multiplied dollar multiply gives the number of attendees into the ticket price. This step is very much essential because the revenue is not directly in the data set. It is being created by this here only. The field has been created here only. So this step is very much essential for performing the to getting to know the revenue in detail. Then coming to the next operator, that is a group performance operator. In this stage, I have been grouping the data by year using the performance year by the ID, which is the grouping key, which is a common grouping key, and followed by the total revenue, which gives the sum of all revenues for that year, and also the next two one, that is average revenue, which gives the average values of revenue performance, and the next one is the total performance, which gives a sum total of attendees count for that year. This has been calculation has been done on this group operator part. Then coming to the next one, which is the sort part, which we will be sorting the output, sorting the results in the descending order of the total revenue. So the best performing will appear on the first. That's been done in the sort operator portion. Then we have been going through the execution part of this query in the Mongoose environment, and I will be copying the code. I have copied the first code. Then the second part, that is the add fields, where the fields have been created here, that also has been copied and added to the previous line. Then the third part, which is the grouping, here where the grouping has been happened, adding to this. Then finally the sorting, where it gives the values in descending, that also being added to the main query. Yeah, finally we have added everything which is required for this query to execute, and we are running on this. We have experienced an error over here, that is with the syntax error, that we have pasted in incorrectly over here. So we will be executing it again by copying it again. We have received the total output where we will be able to see the ID as well as the total revenue and the average revenue per year, also the total attendees over the year. Uh, Here it shows the top ranked year generated with the highest revenue. That shows due to the strong attendance and pricing. If the attendancing and the pricing is higher, then it would be ranked the top on particular year. So that is being clearly mentioned. That is the main interpretation which we can get from these output results, that strong attendance and pricing are one of the main factors which we can get on the top ranked for that particular year. And also we get to know that with this output, that it demonstrates how MongoDB can be used for the business intelligence purpose. It can be clearly used for the business intelligence purpose. With these values, we get to know that how it clearly aligns with this business intelligence environment, and by using the continuous filtering and the computation of this particular fields by adding the fields and also the grouping, that will clearly have a positive impact on the business intelligence area, and we will be able to get clearer insights from the raw data which is not much clear at the initial phase. By this we get to know a clearer idea with this aggregation framework. Thank you.